Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another video.
Yeah.
In today's video, if I laugh, I gotta make a funny noise. You guys already know the vibes. Check out the Twitch at BayFacts and the TikTok too. God bless you guys, and let's get right into it. Oh. Beautiful.
Mr. Bulk, man. What up, man?
It's a big guy, bro.
What up, man?
Big body.
Oh, shit!
Oh, shit. Kermit the Fool getting faded up like he's Gideon and shit. Gideon would do this. Was this Robin?
What's going on?
Ears.
What do you have in your hand? Well, what's wrong?
The fuck are you doing?
What's wrong?
What do you mean, what's wrong, bro?
It's okay.
I love,
I
used to
know,
love
I'm
this
good.
trend. When it first came out, this trend was
I'm
so
good,
funny.
man.
So funny, bro.
Oh
Hey, JP,
Yeah.
JP.
wanna get Taco Bell?
No, I'm good.
God damn.
Boy, oh boy, I can't wait to check on my precious pizza.
Oh god. Wait, I saw this one. Like, this one's stupid. I gotta rewatch. I don't understand that. Okay, he's just at the airport. Is that,
no.
is that the sound of the Adidas, bro?
Oh my god.
Everybody turn your headphones down, bro.
Oh, come on. You ready, Marilyn?
So I'll be. Do it one more time, bro, please. Kermit the Frog here. Nice. Don't trip him, please. I watched that one, that's why I didn't laugh. Look at that kitty. Ooh. I watched this one too. This one's ass.
I love him.
Wow. Bro, cats are so smart, dude. Look at them.
Wait. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy. Oh my god. I knew it.
What?
Az düşmanım ya.
How does that even happen?
Hoş geldin.
Ooh. We got slapped. Oh, that thing looking thick.
You know what they say about big feet, right?
Oh my god. Oh, those cookies bust, bro. Just pour your milk, man. Danke. Oh yeah, she's proud. Proud moment. Don't ruin it, man. Ooh.
Ini udah lumayan kering, kita tambahin minyak goreng.
That's a lot of oil. That's a lot more oil. Holy shit. It's a beautiful beach. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Oh, it's just a foot, okay. Oh, cute dog. Oh my god.
Yo, Pokemon is really sneaky with their names. So for example, this one
Arbok?
looks like a cobra, right?
Its actual name is Arbok, but if you read it backwards, it says Cobra.
Cobra.
But same for this one. It's an
Ekans and
Ekans.
snake.
But if you read it backwards, it says
Right.
snake.
Muck is. Shit. What the?
So is that a mosquito? Like, I think that's a mosquito. That can't be a fly, bro. What is that? Fucking mosquito?
Oh shit. I will 100% throw that dog into the ocean. Funny though. Motherfuckers with iron deficiency be like,
Bro, what the fuck? We're late for class. Hurry the fuck up. Wake up, bro. Wake up. Let's go. Hurry the
wake
fuck
up, man.
up. Come on. What, my bad?
Oh my god. They're pretty fast, no cap. One. Chips ahoy. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Thanks.
Oh, let me get this.
No. Is that my wallet?
Of what? No.
What a big boy. Just a bathtub. What is that even gonna be used for?
Suck. Suck. Suck.
Go ahead.
Bro, that
Fucking The Rock, bro.
I think all them females over there looking at us and shit, bro. But don't look over there though.
Wait, rewind that.
They're looking at us and shit. Bro, that ass. I think all them females over there looking at us and shit, bro. But
Females looking over there, bro.
look over there though.
Motherfuckers is weird, bro. Oh.
Kayla.
Sorry.
What the?
Crying out work, bro. That's hella relatable.
Deal it in. Any
The
damn.
logo.
What the?
We gotta replay that, bro.
Deal it in.
Bro, crying at work is hella relatable, bro.
Deal it in. Any damn.
It's a big Apple logo.
What the?
Okay, wait, I gotta watch it again, bro. I gotta watch that shit again, bro. Crying at work is hella relatable, bro.
Deal it in. Any damn. What the?
I had to do it 3 times, bro. This is too funny. Oh, wait, what?
What the?
I forgot the filter was on. Guys, listen. It's late. We're gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. God bless you. Have a great rest of your day.